I just looked at myself and the bun looks kind of crooked, but it's not though. Like, it's in center. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Naya. It doesn't even look bad. It's still curl definition, still pretty soft, but I'm not fully ready to wash my hair just yet, so I'm gonna put it in a bun. And you guys asked for this bun video, this high bun, top knot bun, whatever you guys want to call it. I also decided I'm gonna be using the Uncle Funky's Daughters products on my hair for this bun. Leave-in conditioner, the leave-in curl revitalizer. I'm gonna be using the Miracle Moisture Cream, and I haven't decided if I'm gonna use the curl stimulator yet. I might, so I guess you're just gonna stay tuned to see. So we're gonna start this bun. Okay, so we're using Thirsty Curls to spray the perimeter around my hair. I needed a leave-in, and I like that it's a spray, so instead of using my spray bottle, I did use that instead. And now I'm just brushing it in and working it into my hair. And now to provide some moisture, we are going to be using the Super Curl, which smells amazing, you guys. And I love the consistency of this product. It was amazing. Working that into my hair as well. Next, I'm using my brush to brush it in, of course. And then to use for gel, I decided to use their Curl Magic instead of anything else, and it actually provided good slip, and it was able to slick my hair pretty freaking well. I was so surprised. Does anybody know how to open this jar though? Because I was having the hardest time opening it. So I'm just putting a scrunchie on my hair. Now I'm looking at the bun and it looks crooked, but like it's not. I don't know why I look like that. So I'm just fixing up a little bit, and I'm gonna do my edges. And I usually put one more scrunchie like in the middle of the bun, but I forgot to do that in this video, which I'm pretty upset about. But yeah, do my edges. We love to see it. And now I'm refreshing and retwisting my starter lock. This time I only used the Curl Magic and the Super Curl to refresh it, and then I'm using my bobby pin that was already in there to set it in place. I used all three products to do the actual bun, and then when it came to refreshing and retwisting my starter lock, I used the Super Curl and the Curl Magic. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this bun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.